Hello, good evening all. Am I audible? Hello, hello. Good evening, students. I'm GC Rahul. I'm a Python full stack web developer trainer and having 5 years of experience in the Python web development trainer. And also, I have been associated with the MJIT from the past 2 years. So, I have trained a lot of students and I have taken a lot of batches. And today, agenda is about creating a video player like your YouTube or other OTTs like your Disney, Hotstar, or Amazon Prime videos. So these all comes under the OTT platforms. So in the same way, today we are going to create an video player, or you can say a website where you can see and watch the videos, a short videos or a long videos. So without a further ado, we will continue. So first of all, I would demonstrate the video player. So you can see on the screen, this is the video player. So I have uploaded some of the videos. So I will start playing some of the videos and then we will jump into creating the video player app. So first of all, I would play some of the videos. Let me choose this one. Yeah, this one. So it will play here itself because we can also modify the changes of the video by clicking on this button, as we have seen in the most of the OTT platforms like Amazon, YouTube. So if I click this, it will fill the whole screen and it would play. Yeah, you can see here. So this video is about an private jet plane company manufactured, that is Gulfstream, and you can see the video which is playing right now on the screen. And we will play some of the other videos also to ensure that to understand and see the controls and how the videos are being played. So see here, you can see there are some of very beautiful visuals and also the plane which is in the sky and which is in a moving state. Yeah, and so we'll see other videos in the same way. So if I click this button, it will minimize in the same way. So I will stop here and I will play this video, that is Airbus. So if I click on this, it would enlarge and it would play. So this video is about the Airbus, a company which manufactures aeroplanes for commercial and non-commercial purposes. And also this video shows that it was the first plane and the largest plane by the Airbus A380, which was manufactured in the 1990s. So they were demonstrating this video, so you can understand and see how the video looks like. And yeah, so they have started filming the video, and there are a lot of persons to watch the airplane on its first day move. So you can see the way the spectators are watching to enhance the to evidence how this big plane is going into air. And we will move on to some other videos. So you can see yeah, this is the video of Bugatti Chiron. So I would play, and if I would click on this sound button, and also here we can also increase the sound as same as the other OTTs like Amazon, YouTube, or Disney Hotstar. And also you can maximize to view onto the whole screen, so you can see the car and also the video which was showcased. So it's driving the car at the maximum speed. and then we'll look into some other videos also. And I would like to show some of the features I have added in this. So if I want to see, so I would just pause this and yeah, I would play this Rolls Royce again,
showpieces,
so you can see.
The
but
art of the
what
book
if
matcher
I
comes
want
to
to
life.
see in a small scale?
stately
in
beauty
videos.
is matched
So
by
for that
stunning
reason,
brawn from a
just click
potent
on
V12
these three buttons,
powerhouse.
3 dots, and if I
It's just
hit on
like
the
being on the
picture
magic
on
carpet.
picture,
Rolls-Royce is
you
more
can
than
see
just the world's
it is
ultimate
playing at the
luxury
right side
car.
corner.
It's a British
Okay, so,
engineering
and also I have
icon.
added some of the features like
Everything has to be first class.
There's
move this
only one
picture in
place you'll
picture,
find all
and
this.
you can place this
The mega factory
at
of
whatever
Rolls-Royce motor cars.
way you want. So see here, I'm enlarging this, and also I can do this. I can place it anywhere so that I could enjoy my show
The
without any
Rolls-Royce
interruption.
Phantom
You
could
can
have
put
been named the
this on your
Phoenix,
screen,
as
and
it represents
you can do
the rebirth of the
multitasking.
legendary
So,
motor
see
car
here, I have,
manufacturer in
opened it here,
spectacular
and,
21st century
this
fashion.
moment I will just enlarge the screen.
Not only does it have all the traditionally regal finishes you'd expect,
Yeah, you can see here,
a sumptuous
I have now
interior wrapped in
enlarged screen
luxurious
to
A-grade
see.
European leather,
and also
more
you can
polished wood
minimize
than the average dining room,
the screen
and the legendary whisper
to a
quiet
small
ride.
extent. Yeah, and
But it also offers
can put
state-of-the-art
this picture in picture
technological
at any
goodies,
place
like a
you want.
fiber optic
You can put
illuminated
at,
starlight headliner,
middle of the screen,
a 15
or
speaker,
at the side,
9-channel,
or at the bottom,
420
or you
watt
can put at
commercial
the
grade
top.
lexicon sound
So,
system, a
can
shift-by-wire
place this
6-speed
at
automatic
anywhere.
transmission, and lots more.
Yeah,
The double
so I
R
will
motor
just
car
cancel
brand.
this. So these are some of the features I have added. So I would just minimize these, and we will see what is the Django, and what are some of the features, and what are the most popular websites that are being created by the Django. So
And
in this
websites
video,
that have either used Django or currently use
would
Django in their
explain
tech stack
the features of it,
and use
also
them as a
what are the
reference
most
point
popular
to
apps
show you
which
what you
are
can really do with
created
Django
by the
and
Django.
the type of things
So
that you can actually build
this
with it.
also I have uploaded in the background to understand.
So I've
what
wanted to make
is
this video
Django
for a
and
while,
how
but I got a
scalable is
comment
Django.
today
So
that really encouraged me to make
you
this
can only
sooner.
watch,
So
but
this
the
comment is
sound
kind
will
of a
be not
common
audible.
issue in the
That's
industry
okay.
where people think that they need a
you can
certain
see
tech
him,
stack
he's
or a language to
explaining,
be successful. So I'll paraphrase
about
it,
the Django
and I'm assuming this person is just curious
what are
and
the
doesn't
features
really
of the
understand
Django.
too much about programming. So
And
I'm not
also
trying to insult them,
you
but
can
I did
see
want to address it.
the
So
same way
I'll
how the
paraphrase it, but
other
they
OTTs
said, please
plays
promote a language which gives you a
the
real
play
chance
and
to
pause
start
button. If I click on pause, it will pause. If I click on play,
businesses like
it would
PHP. So
play
PHP
again
is great,
from the same place,
and you can do a
I
lot
can
with
move
it,
this
and so can you
front
with
and back.
Django,
And
along
also
with Node.js, Ruby on
I can
Rails,
decrease
and a lot
and
of other
increase
stuff
the
out there.
volume.
So there's
And
not
also,
one language that
if I want to see
will really make
this
you
again
successful,
in a
as long as
picture
you
in
pick
picture
something
also,
that is
I can
popular out there
watch
that you can
this.
actually learn from and that suits
And
your style
also, if I want
and
to
fits the
download
needs that
this,
you're trying to accomplish.
I
Some of
can
these
also download, but
do certain
I
things
won't
better
do
than
because it's already in my system itself.
others, but just to address that comment, I'm going to list out some of the tech companies that actually use Django. So if I go through my list here, I listed out 5. We have Instagram, Pinterest, Udemy, Dropbox, and Spotify. So
see,
that should give you an
explaining
idea
about
of the type of websites that can actually be built with it
some
and
of
the
things and important
scalability.
features of
I'm not
Django.
sure
So
if Instagram still uses Django,
without
but I do
further
know
ado,
that they
so
rely
we
heavy
have
on Python.
seen how the player is being created and how the videos are played and how the controls are being added. So now we'll start creating our own video player or our own OTT platforms. So first of all, I would just open the command prompt. So I would just cancel this. So cd // So first of all, what we have to do is we have to create a project in the Django, and then we have to create an app in the Django, so that we could create our application. So first of all, we'll start by creating the app in the Django. So these are the following commands for that. So first of all, the first command is Django admin start start project hyphen. So I would give uh, the project name as player. So anyway, you can give any name for that. So I have given the player. So what this command will do, it with this command the Django will create a project for me, so that I could start creating my website with online video player website. So the Django has created the project. So now I have to jump into that player cd player. With this command I would just enter into that, and the next command would be to create application. So the first step was to create the project, and the second step is to create the app. So for that, the second command would be Python manage.py start app, and I would give the app name as video. So yeah, manage. So this command would create the app. Yeah, so now we have done creating the app and creating the project successfully. So now I would just open it in the command Visual Studio so that I could code. So for that I would just type code dot. So with this command would open the Visual Studio Code so that I could code everything, and then we will add the videos and we will execute our project in the same way. So it's taking some time. Yeah, it has started. So first of all, the first and foremost thing is we have to register our app. So the app name was player, and the project is player, and the app is the video. You can see the folder structure. This is the folder structure. By default the Django has been created for us, so we don't require to create everything from the scratch. So first of all, I would just register my app in the settings.py. So for that I would just register at this place, installed apps. video video. So this is the first step and we have done it. So now we have to create a model so that we could place any images or videos, or if you want to create any registration app or a login app, or if you want to create a home page for anything or any pages, the basic thing is we have to create a model for that. So I would just go into the video, and in the models.py you can find here in the models.py, and here I have to create a model. So I would create by creating a class. So class video and models dot odel model, and then enter. Okay, so the first name would be name equals to models dot text field. models.text field, and then the second field would be the file where we are going to use to upload the files like our videos. So models dot, so here you can see there are a lot of fields, but we require only the file field, and here we have to specify where should our videos should be placed automatically, so that we don't have to save our videos manually, but the Django would do for us. So any video which I'm uploading, it should go here in the documents. Okay, and then I would say image equals to the third file, models dot image field, and also we have to specify if there are any images we would like to play as a video or any poster. We can do so by upload to. In the same way, here I would use the same thing, documents slash images, images. Yeah, so here see, I have created a model. So the model is video, class video, and I'm importing models.model. So I'm creating three fields. The name is the first one. I'm using text for that because name would be having the characters, and the second one would be the file where we are going to upload the file into the server or the local server where it could play, and the third one would be the image, models dot image field, upload to document. So this is the place where our images and videos should be placed, and then I would just type str hyphen underscore underscore lf self. So why I'm creating this function? Because whenever we are in the admin panel, if you are not creating this function define str of self, it would show object 1, object 2, object 3. So if we are having 100 videos, it would show object 1, object 2, object 3, object 4, object 5 in that way. So we won't be able to understand what are these. So for that reason, we are just creating a function to show what are the files which we have created. So I would just type return return lf self dot ame name. So this was the first step. And what was the first step? The first step is to create a model. Yeah, so we have successfully created our model, and then the second thing is we have to create our views. So here we could find the views in that same video folder. So first of all, I will just remove this. From dot models import video. So we have to import the video. So now our code starts here. So I will define a function naming index, and inside that index I would use request. Okay, so now what we have to do, whenever we request something like we have played the video of Rolls Royce or Jet or any video, we have to request that from the server. So for that we have to use the statement is if request dot method equals to get. So I'm using this if request dot method equals to get means we have to get something from the server, and then I'm creating a variable to store video objects 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 dot all, and then okay. So I have done this, and then we require an HTML so that we could display that to the user. So for that, what we have to do? We have to do return render request comma indes index dot html. Okay, yeah, and then so we have created a variable data so that we could request everything and could be stored in this variable, and this variable we are placing here so that we could put all the things into the HTML index page. So now we have completed the views also, the second step, and the third step would be we have to create the URLs. So we can find the URLs in the project folder. Here it's the urls.py file. So I would say simply from video.views import index, and then path should be empty because it's an index home page, and index and comma. Okay, so now we have done this, but still we have to add some more things so that whenever we are using any of our image files, video files or audio files, so this enters the media root. So for that reason we have to import some of the things from the Django. So they are from Django dot conf import settings, and then from Django dot conf dot urls dot static, because a video file or audio file would come under the static, and then import static. Yeah, we have imported the necessary files so that we could run our application smoothly, and then we have to say to the URLs that settings dot debug okay, settings dot debug, and then URL patterns, yeah, URL patterns plus equals to static, inside that settings dot media URL. So Media means it would be an video or audio. So for that I'm using media underscore URL and then comma document underscore root, because we have earlier created in the model.py. So where should our files, yeah, you can see here documents. So where should our files be in? So we have to specify that in the URLs also. Settings dot media root, settings dot media. So here we have completed our URLs, and the last one would be we have to create that the same URL settings in the settings file. So here I would just import, sorry, no caps, import OS, okay, and then at the bottom of the settings.py file there will be static. So here we have to do the editing. So static, it would be capital STATIC, static. It would be underscore root equals to OS dot path dot join base directory. So base directory means this is the original directory where our media files, like our videos, audios, or any images would be stored. So this is the base directory, media slash. So we have created a static file, and then the second thing is we have to create a media file. So for that, media underscore URL equals to media. Why I'm creating this media URL? Because it understands here is the base directory and we have to retrieve that media from this base directory. Media underscore root, so root directory, and the same as the static root there will be media root. So for that we have to specify os dot path dot join capitals BASE base directory comma MEDIA media. Sorry, it should be small letters. MEDIA media. Yes. So it should be static. Yeah. So we have created the files where the Django application should retrieve. The static files would be from the static, and the media files would be from the media folder. So click on save. Yeah, we have completed all that, and the last and the important thing is we have to have an HTML folder. So here we have to create something called as templates templates. Okay, and inside the templates I would say index.html, index.html. So okay, yeah, it has created the file for us, and now we have to create HTML file. So first of all, I would say HTML, yeah, and then HTML basically contains the head and the body part. So I would just say head part. Okay, so I have created the head part, and now inside there will be a body part. So here, so first of all, we would create inside the body. So using the div tag, div of class equals to top nav. So why I'm creating top nav? Because for the styling purpose, I'm creating the top nav. So okay, and then I would just do href for reference. So it would be home, and then close this. Inside this also place home. Okay, so I would copy this and I would create multiple things in the same way. So sorry, copy and then paste here, and I would say it would be for the video. I would display videos, and I would say it would be for movies. I would simply type movies, and the last one would be about us. In the same way, here also we'll specify about us. So okay, we have done up to here. So let's check our player is working properly or not. So for that, earlier we have typed two commands. The first command is Django Admin start project player. So it would create a project for us called the player, and then the second one would be the application. So now, to ensure that our file is running smoothly, would just say another command, that is Python manage.py run server. Python manage.py run server. Okay, now pressing enter. It would take some time to run the server locally. Yeah, it has started. So now we will check by creating another tab. So I would just say copy the URL, enter. So it would take a couple of seconds to render. Yeah, it's taking time. Already started the server. It's still loading. Okay, it's still loading. Yeah, so up to that we will just recap what we have done. So first of all, we have created a project, and the second one is the application in the command prompt using the two commands Django-admin. So this is the command Django-admin start project player. This is the first command to create the project, and this is the second command Python manage.py start app video. It would create the app, and then let me check that's rendered. No, it's taking time. So see here, these are the two folders that was created by the Python Django. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to start by the settings file where we have to register our app. Here you can see here installed apps. So we have to register our app, and then we have to create the model. We have created class video, and the fields are name, file, image. And then the second thing is we have to create the view so that we could retrieve anything in that server. So if the user is requesting for a movie like Jurassic Park, we have to do some coding for that. So for that, what we are doing, we are requesting the method get to retrieve the movie from the model, and then we have to specify in that URL in this way. So we are just importing the view. The view name is index. Here you can see we are just importing from video.views import index, and these are the some settings file for the static. And we have to, it is a mandated thing. If you want to use anything, we have to if you want to use the media files like video, audio, or image, we have to use this mandatorily. So let's see as loaded or not. Oh shit, it's taking time. So I would just cancel this. So, okay, I'll just try once again. Just enter. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll complete the code. So we have home, videos, movies, and all. Okay. So here is the div tag, and here we have to write something called the for loop, so that we could put the videos and images or the audio files into the index.html file. So for that we use this thing. In DA, because we have earlier used in the views.py. So I will show you from where I'm getting this DA. I'm getting this DA from here. So I'm retrieving the details. So I'm getting this, and I'm putting this DA into this index.html using this for loop. Okay. So now we have to create something called video id equals to my video. So this is a basic HTML video tag where we are going to use for any videos, for short videos or movies or any documentation. So equals to video underscore hyphen js, and then the third file would be controls preload equals to auto. Controls, that means it has to load automatically when we refresh the page, and then we have to specify the width and height of the video. Width equals to, so I would take around 485 the width should be, and the height should be 360. So we have completed the things which we needed, and the last thing would be muted. Yeah, the last thing is muted. That means when you click on the mute button, it should mute. Muted equals to UA true. That means when we hit on the play or pause button, it should mute. And then the last one would be data underscore setup, data setup. So for the time being, we'll just leave it as blank, and then we will close this video. Inside this, we would specify something more important, that is the source. So from where we are getting the source. So from where we are getting the video, or where we are getting the audio file or photo, we have to specify in this source. Source src equals to I dot file dot url. So I would explain this. We are getting from this file. So the file, what is that file? The file is the video. So we have used here the video. This is the file, and the URL. From the URLs, see here URL pattern, we are getting the media file, and then what the type of the source file would be. So the source file is a video / video / mp4. So this is an mp4 file, so we have to specify. Specify this, and then just simply close. And after this video, we have to end the for loop. And for. Okay, so Control S, save, and we have to register this here in the admin.py file from dot models import video, so that we could see that everything we have done in the admin file. So admin admin dot site dot register. So we have to register. If you want to register in the admin side, we are going to use this. So we'll see. Oh, it's still loading. So I would cancel this, and I would cancel this also. Now we'll again run the server. Run the server. So let's check now. Player, okay, and then open here. Use 127. Please. Video manage py run server. Yeah. So see here now. We'll run again. So okay, and for your reference, this is the admin site. So where we are going to add the videos. So I will show you how to add the videos from the backend. So if you are creating any OTT platform, or if you are working in a OTT platform like Disney Hotstar or Amazon or YouTube, so what they will do, they will add the videos in the background in this way. So this is a file. You have to click on add the file here. So I'll just close this, cancel this, and I will just run again the command prompt cmd deb demo video, and then py run server. So we have started the server again, and let's see. Okay, execute this. Yeah, you can see here, these are the files, like the Bugatti Chiron, the layer jet. If you see here how the videos are added, so if you see this is a dance video, this is a car manufacturing video, and this is the another car manufacturing video, and this is the flight jet, and this is also flight jet. So see here how differently we have added the videos. So you can see how the videos are being added in the background. So see here, this was the first video class dancing, and this one is the documentary for the Rolls Royce, and this one for the Porsche, and Airbus, Gulfstream, Learjet, Bugatti, and Django. So see here, in this way we have any OTT platform will add the files in the background, and then if any user are going to enter into a site, so the site would look like this. Home, see here, if I'm moving the cursor on home, it is changing the color. If I move the cursor on movies, it is changing the color, and also the videos and about us. So again, I will execute this file once again because we have completed this section. And look here, so if I click on what we'll call this, so if we click on this, so because it's a video, it would take some time. Yeah, so this is how you are going to create a video platform, and also we can find the controls for that, like picture in picture. If you click on picture in picture, it would appear in this way, and also you can move this this see here, the video is started playing, because if the video is too large, it would take some time, because it's running on the local server in my laptop. If you are having server, it would take within seconds, you can run that. And also see here, you can also increase the size of that, and also we can move this, and we can place this anywhere, so that doesn't matter. So see here, you can see this is a beautiful it is the beauty of video being played using the Django, and we can move anywhere else. We can put at bottom right, or bottom left, or bottom top, or anywhere. And also if you want to close, and if you want to see any other videos like this thing here, see here, it has started playing. And if you want to maximize like your YouTube, you can also maximize like the YouTube, and you can see the video is being played. And also you can see the crisp of the video, that means how the details are sharp. And also if you want to learn more about this, and if you want to learn and also add more functionalities, like if you want to have this to scale up, like if you want to if you are using a 2G data, 3G data, you can switch to 144 pixels or 240 pixels. And if you are using an 4G network or high speed Wi-Fi, in that case you can actually keep more options here, and you can use that for 720p or also 1000p, or you can also put that for the 4K videos also. And also you can put some of the controls here to enlarge, to minimize, and also you can add the features here. And also if you want to create a thumbnail in that, or any poster in that, so in the YouTube there will be some of the thumbnails or the pictures before the starting video, it will be placed here. So if you see here, if I move this, yeah, so if I click on here, so in this way, if you want to put a thumbnail like this one, at what time it should start, at what time it should end. So see here, it shows the aeroplane and the details of it, like G650ER, or if you see here in other videos, uh, sorry, yes, this one. And also if you want to put, so it's a large video of 44 minutes, so It would take some couple of seconds to load. So yeah, it's loading. So in this way you can create an OTT platform or any online video player in this manner. So it's very simple to create. So you have seen already how I have created and how much time it took for me to create this type of thing. I have created a model with 4 lines and also the views with a minimal 4 or 5 lines, and then the URL path we have specified. So, and I want to specify one more thing about this section, that is just minimize this and I would open this notepad. And yeah, just remove all this, and so for your kind information, so the new batch for the Python web development, I will just type here. Just give me some seconds, couple of seconds. Python Django web development training classes would be started from 16th of this October 2021. So there is a new batch which is going to start from this Monday, and if you have any details or if you want any details and if you want the duration of that course and other details of the Python and Django, you can contact our mentor. So I will put this mentor number 90034197005. So I will just enlarge this so that it could be clear. Yeah, just a second. I would make it to 20, yeah, 26. That looks good. So so there will be a new batch for the Python web development training classes from the 16th of August, and if you have any details, you can just contact our mentor. I have just put it the number on the screen. So it's 90034197005, and also you can have, if you want to know any other details or any other courses you would like to have, you can just call to this number and you can ask any doubt. So I hope you have enjoyed about our section, which is the how to create an OTT platform in the Python Django with a very minimum code and very minimum steps. And I hope you enjoyed a lot, and this is Rahul signing off, and thank you so much and have a nice day. So if you want to take this number, please take down this number.